Epic and Mod3D released the Echo Sample project. Let's use it to make this in 1.5 minutes. Stick around for the end for a cinematic bonus tip. From the Epic Marketplace, download the Windwalker Echo project. Create it, then open it. Don't forget to change it to version 5 Early Access. Wait for shaders, then delete the ramp, sphere, and floor. Open Quixel Bridge and download these assets. You can use the asset IDs to get the same ones as me. IDs in the description. Go to Landscape mode. Choose the Burnt Forest floor as the material. Open the material and reduce the tiling to 0.3. Make the size 15 by 15 and then click Create. Go to Select mode and move Echo onto the landscape. Go to Foliage mode and using the assets we downloaded, drag them all in. Make sure all the foliage is selected. Make the brush size as big as you can. For each of the bigger items like the trees and logs, reduce the density to 30. If any of them have a base, drop the Z offset to -20. Make the paint density 0.2. Zoom out. Center your mouse and click once. Go to Select mode. Select the exponential height fog and make the fog density 0.03. Change the Z location to 5000. Select the light source and change the intensity to 0.01. Go to Create Visual Effects and add a post-processing volume. Enable Infinite Extent. Change the min and max exposure to 0.1. Go to Create Lights and add a skylight. Select the skylight and change the intensity to 0.04. Press play and you're done. Run around and hope you don't get attacked by zombies. Bonus tip time. Open the Echo blueprint, switch to the viewport, select the camera and change the location of the X to 200 and Z to 20. Select the post-processing volume and set the focal distance to 45. Click play and enjoy the cinematic creepiness. As always, like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. Until next time.